Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the incredible, almost unbelievable world of a creature that truly lives life in the fast lane. I'm talking about Leybert's chameleon, a lizard with a life cycle so extreme, it holds a world record. Picture this, Western Madagascar, a land of contrasts and extremes where the landscape is shaped by dramatic shifts between wet and dry seasons. The towering baobab trees stand like ancient sentinels, their swollen trunks storing water for the months ahead. The forest floor is alive with movement in the rainy season, but eerily quiet in the dry months, when the land bakes under the relentless sun. And here, in this unique ecosystem, exists a chameleon unlike any other, Furcifer leyberti, or Leybert's chameleon. This tiny lizard holds the record for the shortest lifespan of any four-limbed vertebrate. We're talking a mere 4 to 5 months from hatching to, well, the end. That's right. These little guys, which only grow to about 3.5 inches long, pack their entire adult lives into less time than it takes some of us to finish a good book or binge-watch a few seasons of our favorite show. They hatch, they grow at an astonishing rate, reaching full sexual maturity in just 2 months. They mate, lay eggs, and then their time is up. At first glance, this might seem like a cruel joke of nature. Why would an animal live for such a short period when so many other reptiles can last for years or even decades? But when you take a closer look, this high-speed life cycle is actually a masterstroke of evolution. You see, Leybert's chameleons actually spend most of their total existence, an impressive 8 to 9 months, as eggs, buried underground in a kind of suspended animation, waiting for the perfect moment to emerge. When the rainy season finally arrives, it's like nature flipping a switch. The parched land erupts with greenery, insects burst into abundance, and the chameleons, perfectly timed for this moment, hatch into a world of opportunity. The race begins. With an explosion of insects like crickets, flies, and locusts providing ample food, the chameleons begin their sprint through life. They devour all they can, rapidly growing from hatchlings to adults in mere weeks. The males, as in many species, are especially competitive. They engage in fierce combat for the right to mate, battles of strength and color. That's right. Being chameleons, they have the famous ability to change color, but contrary to popular belief, it's not just for camouflage. It's a powerful means of communication. Think of it as an ever-changing visual language used to intimidate rivals, attract mates, and express emotions. A dominant male will flash bright, bold colors to signal strength, while a submissive male might display duller hues, conceding defeat without the need for a costly fight. Once mating is complete, the females pour every ounce of their energy into producing a clutch of eggs, up to 11 of them. Their bodies work overtime to ensure the next generation has the best possible start, and within hours of laying their eggs, their time on Earth is over. It's a truly remarkable life cycle. Live fast, reproduce, and then pass the baton to the next generation, all before the dry season returns and resources disappear. What's particularly fascinating is that, for 2/3 of the year, the entire species exists only as eggs, hidden beneath the surface, shielded from the scorching heat and the scarcity of food. It's an extreme but highly effective strategy to survive in an environment where conditions can swing from one extreme to another. Scientists have marveled at how Leybert's chameleons have evolved to fit this narrow survival window so precisely. While most reptiles enjoy relatively long lifespans, allowing for multiple mating seasons, these chameleons have gone in the opposite direction, evolving to make the most of a brief but highly efficient burst of activity. And their strategy works. Despite their short lives, they are not endangered, proving that sometimes, the best way to survive is not through longevity, but through perfect timing. So the next time you feel like life is moving too fast, spare a thought for Leybert's chameleon, a creature that truly embodies the phrase, live fast, die young, but in doing so, has found a way to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. It's a powerful reminder that life, in all its forms, finds a way, even if that way is incredibly, surprisingly short. And in its own way, it's a testament to the wild ingenuity of evolution, showing us that sometimes, nature's most efficient solutions are also its most unexpected.